Hey friends, no matter the time, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, this is a video featuring the combo of 3625 Motor and Wi-Fi-Link and 2670 ESCape32 BEC. The main units are the 2670 ESC, equipped with ESCape32 firmware, and BEC 3625 high-performance brushless motor for 110 RC crawler cars, and Wi-Fi-Link for parameter adjustment and firmware upgrade of ESCape32 firmware. The 2670 boasts a high-performance parameter range, but we suggest using a 2S3S LiPo battery when paired with 3625 motor. High voltage may damage the chip of 2670 ESC. PCB adopts 8-layer 30Z electroless nickel and immersion gold process, delivering enhanced performance while maintaining quality standards. High-power MOS, combined with metal heatsink, effectively dissipates heat under high current load and continues to work stably. Adopting 32-bit high-performance processor, STM32G071. With a working frequency of up to 64 MHz. Supports multiple motion modes such as unidirectional, bidirectional, and braking. The ESC automatically detects the throttle signal when it is powered on, supports all GSG signals, and also supports signal protocols such as PWM, one-shot, and multi-shot. Visual Programming Parameter Adjustment Tool supports motor timing, throttle calibration, current detection, motor steering, telemetry signal, and other settings. Onboard RGB LED color light settings. Multiple LED colors can be customized. BEC supports adjustable outputs of 5 volt, 4 ampere, 6 volt, 4 ampere, 7.2 volt, 4 ampere, 8.2 volt, 4 ampere, and 12 volt, 3 ampere, which can directly supply power to external devices such as receivers and servos, making the application of ESC more extensive and flexible. Sequre 3625 is a high-performance brushless outer rotor motor specially designed for 1/10 remote-controlled climbing crawler cars. Features with the smallest size, highest power, and largest torque. The motor has a volume of 3625 mm and adopts a 12-slot stator of 3012 mm, combined with high-purity copper wire winding, which greatly improves the motor power and explosive force. A super strong magnet array composed of 14-pole arc-shaped high-temperature magnets delivers exceptional rotor torque and powerful, rapid braking response. The housing is constructed from high-hardness aluminum alloy, precision machined for stable and reliable structural integrity. High-strength stainless steel motor shaft, paired with high-precision, high-quality bearings, ensures long-lasting durability. 8 mounting hole design effectively minimizes interference with installation space. Silent and denoise designed to lower the operating noise greatly. No worry about the braking wind noise at high speed. Lightweight design, weight about 90 grams, including 16 AWG, 200 mm motor wire, maximizes vehicle weight reduction and lowers the center of gravity. The 3.5 mm banana plugs and 3 heat shrink tubes are included to facilitate overall installation and use. The compact, lightweight Wi-Fi-Link enables firmware upgrades for the ESCape32, enhancing the user experience. Technology shapes the future, and Sequre embraces innovation. Should you have any suggestions or feedback regarding our products, please feel free to contact us. We will respond promptly and continue to improve.